Welcome back, folks, to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a beautiful 71 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This is original motor in it, numbers matching, and just gorgeous. I mean, this thing rides amazingly. I took it out for a little spin, go do a little photo shoot with it down by the water, and oh man, was it a treat. And everybody wants to say hi, what's up, where'd you get that? I mean, this is a head turner. Beautiful, beautiful car. It is a silver with some black racing stripes down the middle and a black leather interior. Let's take a look here inside. Got the cluster. Everything works well there. We got the seats here. A couple very nice, comfortable buckets. And the back. Also, with the engine being numbers matching, go ahead, take a look at the link in the description, as it is related to our website, which will be pictures of that. All right, well, let's jump on into it. Let's get her started and take her for a spin.
Solid lifter, Mark. LS, it's a 1970, 71, do you remember when?
It's a 71.
Yeah, 1971. And what a fun car to drive. I mean, back in the day, this was the car that you wanted to have down the street. And now it's coming back, these early 70 cars, but this thing just runs, man. It just runs.
Yeah, I had a blast taking this out the other day for some pictures. It was a lot of fun. Loud, mean, smooth.
Everything works, tachometer. Shifts really smooth. Look at that steering wheel, Mark. I mean, you don't even have to touch it, nice and straight. So kind of a real rare duck too. This is a numbers matching car. The motor that came with this car was redone. It's the same motor that it was built with. And this car is mostly a survivor, Mark. It doesn't have that chopped up ride to it. It drives like a factory car, because no one's taken it apart and we welded it and all that kind of stuff. Real good power brakes, nice power steering. So what I thought we'd do is just take her back on the hoist and let whoever wants to see the bottom.
Sounds good.
All right, anything else you need?
No, that'll do it, thank you.
All right, well, watch this.
We got her here up on the lift. Sorry the hood's open. Doing a little picture under over the hood, but let's take a look underneath now, see how clean she is. Wow. Got the exhausts wrapped. As you can hear, when we were driving, this thing sounds amazing, but the underside is absolutely in perfect condition. No rust, very strong, very clean, just absolutely well taken care of. Wow. And just a blast to drive. Well, if you have any questions, concerns, shoot us an email, give us a call, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on awesome cars that we get. We hope to have somebody happily drive this off the lot. Thanks for stopping by and have a good day.